What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today the stitches you're going to need to know is a double crochet, single crochet, and what you're going to need is a 2.75 millimeter hook, a 5 millimeter hook, and some scissors. So for today's lace up top, we're going to be using this yarn from Hobby Lobby. And you're going to grab your 2.75 millimeter hook and chain up a chain of 12 chains. 12 chains. Okay, so next you're going to put a double crochet in the fourth chain from the hook. So the fourth chain from the hook, put a double crochet. Just like this, and then you're going to continue double crocheting all the way down. Oops. Okay, so now we're going to chain 3, turn our work, and we're going to double crochet in the back loops only. So right in that back loop, we're going to place a double crochet. And you're going to continue doing this for so you should have 10 double crochets across, just so you know. We start up doing 12, skip the first 3 so that first chain 3 counts as a double crochet. So you should have 10 double crochets, and you should keep doing a row until it fits around your torso. So keep going until it fits around your torso, but not all the way tight. You want to leave a little bit of space for the lace up part. So now I'm chaining up 3 and I'm turning on the side of my work, and I'm placing 2 double crochets into the sides of the other double crochet. And I'm going to do that for 20 double crochets. 2 in the sides of each double crochet. So then I chain up 3, turn my work after I've done 20, and then we're going to do another row of double crochet, totaling 20. So now we're starting on the cup. So now after you've done that, row number 3, you're going to chain up 3, and then you're going to decrease by 1 in the beginning of your work. I'm just showing you how I decrease my double crochet. Just like this. Ooh. Ow. Alright, and I'm just showing you guys the end of the row here. So make sure you decrease by 1 double crochet in the beginning of your work, and then we're going to chain up 3, turn our work to row number 4, and we're going to do the same thing. I'm just showing you again, decrease by 1 in the beginning of your work. Oops. Just like this. And sorry if I'm going too fast for you guys. Make sure you can pause this video. You know, do what you gotta do. Ask me if you have any questions in the description below. So you're going to keep decreasing by 1 in the beginning of your work until you have a total of 10 double crochets left. So keep decreasing by 1 until you have 10 left, and then chain up 3, turn your work, and you're going to decrease again in the beginning of your work, but you're also going to decrease at the end of your work, or at the end of your row. I keep saying work, but you know what I mean. I mean row. So I'm speeding it up, you know. And then now we're at the end of the row, and we're going to decrease by 1. You could do it right at the very end if you want, but I like to do it like 1 stitch before. Y'all should know. Y'all should know. And then you're just going to keep doing that until you have 4 stitches left. And now we're down to 4. And I'm just showing you what I do. Instead of decreasing by 2, you're just going to decrease by 1 in the middle, like this, and put a double crochet in that last one. And now you should have 3 stitches, and then chain up 3, and then just skip that middle stitch and just put a double crochet right in that last stitch. Just skip it, just skip right over that middle one, and then we're going to chain 1 and cut our yarn. And that is the first cup, y'all. So easy. Now this is what it's going to look like. It's going to wrap around the back, and then the cups will be in the front, and then it'll have the lace up part. So there will be no tie in the back. I'm just showing you guys what it's gonna look like, because it looks kind of weird when you're working on it, but when you put it together, it looks cute, you know, it looks good. So I'm just showing y'all, I'm just attaching my yarn to the other side of my work so I could do my second cup. And it's going to be the exact same thing as the first cup. You already know. Ooh. Just like this. I'm just showing you how I attach my yarn. And I like to crochet over my loose ends because ain't nobody got time to be sewing in, getting a needle, and doing all that. So we crochet over our loose ends around these parts. Now let me stop. Okay, so this is what it should look like. You have both your cups done, and this is what it should look like. So now we're gonna add our loops in the front for the lace up part. So I'm attaching my yarn at the top of my cup on one cup. Attach the yarn like this. Now it's kind of hard for me to show it, but I'm just showing you guys how I do it, because I like to, you know, crochet over those loose ends. It's a little awkward, but you could do it, I promise you. And we're going to attach with a single crochet, and then you're going to put 2 single crochets in the sides of each double crochet all the way down the cup, on the outside of the cup. Make sure you're going on the outside, and you're doing basically a border, and you're just putting 2 double crochets in the side of each double crochet. And then when you get down to the regular stitches down at the bottom here, put 1 single crochet in each. Did I say double crochet? Single crochets. You're doing single crochets. And so now, I'm so sorry if you guys get confused. So now we're on the second row, and you put a single crochet, chain 2, and then 5 single crochets. It's hard for me to keep up with my video. So single crochet, this is the second row of the border. You single crochet, chain 2, put 5 single crochets, chain 2, 5 single crochets, chain 2, keep going over and over and over. I'm showing you guys. So you should have 8 chain 2 spaces, and then when you get 8 chain 2 spaces, just single crochet for the rest of the row and cut your yarn and finish off, and then do the same thing on the other side. So make sure you guys have 8 little chain 2 spaces, 8 holes for your yarn to go. So now I'm just getting my 5mm hook, and I'm attaching my straps at the top of my cups, and I just pull the yarn through like this. Make sure it's double stranded, and I pull it long enough so that I can do 40 chains for my straps at the top of my cup. 40 chains. I feel like I'm going a little bit too fast for you guys, but if you don't understand something, please comment down below. Okay, so now we're doing the strap for the lace up part. You're going to grab your yarn, make sure it's double stranded, and you're going to chain up a chain of 200 chains. 200 chains. Do a chain of 200 chains. Make sure it's double stranded. And you guys should already know how to attach the lace up part. You start at the bottom and you zigzag it up the top. I did the same thing for my skirt set on the side when you did the lace up. This is what it should look like. You guys should be all done. I know this video was a little bit fast paced, but I hope you guys understood it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on my online shop. Thank you guys so much. If you guys are confused or anything, please comment down below. Please email me any questions. Alright, bye. Alright, hey you guys, I just wanted to add in this little part right here just in case I went too fast, and just in case nobody knows how to put the lace in the front. I just wanted to show this part real quick. So you made your 8 loops on the side here. You made your 8 loops, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 on both sides. And what you want to do is put it through the bottom like I did here. Put it through the bottom, and then you're going to do the second loop on the opposite side. You're going to grab the chain you made, the chain made out of 200, and pull it through just like this. So I like to do one strand at a time so that I don't get like it all tangled and stuff. So you put both of them through the bottom loops, and then you take one strand and you put it into the second loop on the opposite side. And now you're gonna go to the other side, but you're gonna skip one. Don't put it in this one because this strand is gonna go into this loop. You skip that one and you go here. So I take in my strand and I'm looping it through, just like that. See? So now I'm gonna skip this loop and I'm gonna go here. And I'm gonna pull it through. And I'm using my 5mm hook, just so you know. Just like that. Yeah, and you're just gonna keep going. You're gonna go opposite. This one, just like that. And then do the same thing with the other side. You're gonna go back and forth, zigzag, opposite. And I hope that helped clarify things a little bit better. But yeah, once again, if you have any questions, comment down below, message me.